Akshata Nandagopal is on the ground right now in Tamil Nadu, and I want to bring her in. Akshata, in Kanyakumari this morning, how is it looking like? And what are the arrangements like? Is there going to be a lot of sanitization to ensure nobody can go near the meditation zone?
Good morning, Pooja. Vanakkam to you and to all of our viewers. Yes, I'm joining you live from beautiful Kanyakumari. Couldn't be happier to be away from Delhi, 50 degrees plus. And here, you've got a lovely breeze accompanying you as we track all the latest that's happening here in Kanyakumari. Let me quickly cut across to the images that are coming in right now. You can see behind me the Vivekananda Rock Memorial. That's where the Prime Minister will be tomorrow. He's touching down this evening at about 5 o'clock, we hear. The entire area right now has been closed off. No one's being allowed inside. No one's being allowed to the Thiruvalluvar statue or Vivekananda Rock Memorial. So no tourists being allowed anywhere here, which is why you see all the boats stationed right now. Also, I'm not sure if you can see along the coastline, Pooja, but there are a lot of security patrolling boats that are doing the rounds right now, leaving nothing to chance. In Kanyakumari itself, this city, which is used to, of course, a whole lot of tourism, but now considering it's a VVIP tourist who's coming here, you're seeing a lot of essentially a clampdown that's happening. The entire area has been completely barricaded off. No tourists are being allowed anywhere close to the beach. And there's a temple here, an Amman Koil, an Amman temple, which also is in the focus because the Prime Minister reportedly will visit that temple before he makes his way to the Vivekananda Rock Memorial for that tapasya. There's a whole lot of politics also involved right now, Pooja. Locally in Tamil Nadu, there are multiple requests from the opposition, the DMK and the Congress, saying that the Prime Minister's visit right now and this tapasya that he's going to hold is a serious violation of the Model Code of Conduct. They've also, in fact, suggested that the media shouldn't be airing any of the images of the Prime Minister during his meditation because that too is a violation. So a whole lot of politics playing out, but the Prime Minister expected here at 5 this evening. He's going to be visiting the temple. He's going to be visiting a very popular tourist spot here in Kanyakumari called the Sunset Point. This beautiful city, the southern tip of India, it's known as the area where land ends. It's known for its sunrises and sunsets. So the Prime Minister will be there to take in the beauty of the sunset this evening. And then tomorrow, he'll begin his tapasya there at about 1 in the afternoon for a full 24 hours. Till Saturday afternoon, he will be there, Pooja.
Of course, not a coincidence. Prime Minister Modi's strategy usually are in place, symbolizing a message here from Kedarnath to Kanyakumari, the message of national unity. Looking forward to your coverage, Akshata. Come back to you in just a short while. Thank you very much. So the beautiful location there in Kanyakumari, where at the memorial, the Rock Memorial, where Prime Minister Modi will be meditating at the temple.